Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to log in Instagram if you forget your password without email and phone number. It happens you need IG account recovery because you can't log in. You may have forgotten the password, been hacked, changed the phone number, or your account was disabled for violating the community guidelines, or you deleted it yourself. So now you want to get the account back. In this video, I will show you how to recover it. If you lost your password, you can get your IG account back in 90% cases. There are several ways. First of all, tap Get Help Login or Forgot Password if you use the desktop version. First, log in using your Facebook account. You should use your FB account data. From the logging in page, tap Login with Facebook. You'll be sent to the authorization page. Tap Continue as username to get into the account. It works only if your Instagram and Facebook accounts are connected, and only if you remember your FB data or you are logged in on the platform. Otherwise, when you forget your FB login and password, you need another method. Reset your password. You can use either the account's login, email, or your phone number connected to the account. Don't try to use those that are not connected with your account. It won't work. Type it and then tap Next to get a code or send login link if using a computer. When you retrieve your account from a phone, you are sent a code. You choose whether to get it by mail or in SMS. Using a computer to get the IG account back, you are sent a link to an email or a code in SMS. After resetting the old password by the link or code, you should think up a new one. The letter of SMS usually come through immediately. Rarely are they delayed. If you type the correct email, but there is no letter, check the spam folder. If there is no letter in any folder, wait for some time. Repeat in half an hour. You might have several of your accounts with the same email address or mobile number. Then, in the Instagram app, you'll be offered to choose what account to log into. In a browser, you get into the first created with them account. In the Instagram app, you get right into the account. You can change the password in the settings if you want. In a browser, you must create a new password to continue. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.